Hi everybody, welcome to the product review of the DJI Tello. The DJI Tello by Rise comes with a battery which we just insert in here. To charge the battery, we then use a micro USB cable and insert it into the side like this. The Tello also comes with a set of spare propellers and a removal tool in case you break some of the propellers, which you might do if you're a beginner. Tello is a small quadcopter that features a vision positioning system and an onboard camera. Using the vision positioning system and advanced flight controller, it can hover in place and is suitable for flying indoors. Advanced features like bounce mode, 8D flips and easy shots make using the Tello fun. Tello captures 5 megapixel photos and streams 720p live video to the Tello app on a mobile device. The Tello app is available for iOS and Android. Just look on the App Store, find Tello and open. Now we need to launch the Tello app. With the Tello app now open, we need to connect to the device. We go onto Wi-Fi, connect to the drone, and that's it. We have the main control panel. On the top left we have the takeoff. Slide to take off and the aircraft will take off. These are your basic displays. We have go up, down, rotate left and rotate right, and on the right hand side move forward, back, left and right. The drone can do a number of tricks. If we go onto flight modes, it can do a 360-degree turn, 8D flips, up and away, circle, throw and go, and bounce mode. Now we're outside, let's go flying. The camera quality shoots 720p HD videos at 30 frames per second and takes 5 megapixel photos which are saved to your phone via the Tello app. So let's test it out. Just slide to take off and the drone will take off. We use the controls to move the drone up, down, rotate right and left, move forward, backwards, left and right. Now let's try and land. The DJI Tello has a feature where it can land on the palm of your hand, so let's give that a try. Simply and done. Or it can simply just land on the ground. Let's check out this throw and go option. Click throw and go, activate. Look at that, magic. Okay, next we have 360 degrees. So, take off. And we will select 360 and just watch. It's just going to spin 360 degrees. So the drone just flies with a Wi-Fi enabled phone and uses a vision positioning system with downward sensors, and images are electronically stabilized. There is no GPS, but it is very intelligent. Okay, now we're going to check out circle mode. And it's just going to go round in a circle. Tello's high capacity battery offers a flight time of 13 minutes, giving it one of the longest flight times in the mini drone category. Okay, so in bounce mode, the drone just bounces up and down about 1 meter or so above the ground. So let's try it out. Go to flight modes and then bounce, and we see. Just goes up and down. I'm not really sure why you would use it, but here we are. Still pretty cool. Okay, so now we're going to test out 8D flips, which is 8 flips in different directions. So let's give it a go. We go on to flight modes, 8D flips, and let's try. This small drone fits in the palm of your hand and weighs only 80 grams. All of this just cost me £85, reduced from £150. We're going to check out the up and away feature. We have two options, shooting out from an object or zooming into an object. So let's give that a try. The Tello has a range of 100 meters, 328 feet, and a max speed of 8 meters per second. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you check out the full product review on my website. I'll put the link below and in the description. www.michaelsextongrant.com. Take care.